That's an M train.
MTA. Why is L train?
Because the M train and the J train run on the same track. There it goes.
Bye bye. Bye.
This is the M train coming from Manhattan over the Williamsburg Bridge.
Jane, G, Jane. I'm going to the bridge and did it, okay?
Now we're going up the Marcy Avenue Station steps to get on the train.
We're gonna get on the
Train coming?
Yeah. It's a J train.
It is the J train, isn't it?
G train.
J train.
A G train is right on top.
Well, right there is the J train.
Yeah, where was the G train?
This train just
Where was the G train gonna go?
G train does not run right here. This is just the J and the M.
G train.
Okay, the train just stopped at the station, the Marcy Avenue station.
And nothing's gonna go happen there.
This train is going to go through Brooklyn and head to Queens.
Yeah.
This station is an above ground station.
But nobody gonna go to that station.
What train is this? This is the M train. We're not taking this train. We're going to catch the next train that comes through, which will be the J train. Up, catch your train, people. That's the M. We're waiting for the J train. Going to a different direction. Say goodbye to the M train. Bye bye, M train.
No.
You don't want to sing it?
You do it.
Alright.
Chain it. Chain it. Chain it.
Bye bye, M train. Bye bye, M train. Let's take a look at the skyline of Manhattan across the East River. There's the freeway and there's Manhattan over there, far away. Oh, what train is this that's leaving? Can you see? It might be the J train. Bye bye, J train. Bye bye, J train. You want to sing it? Okay. Well, there it goes. Hey, there we are. Marcy Avenue. That's the stop we're at, the station we're at. Marcy Avenue Station. How would you like to live right there, overlooking the train tracks? Here comes our J train. This is going to take us to Manhattan. We're going to take it all the way to Chambers Street so we can get on the 4 train. These trains come in fast. You got to stay behind that yellow line so you stay safe. Go. Okay, let's get on the train. Not very crowded.
Be careful of the train. That is a big blue pickup. adults.
That's right. That's the blue playground over there.
And yeah,
Big blue playground. Right there.
oh, what?
There we see the Empire State Building.
I gonna.
That's the East Village right there. Are you gonna do what?
I gonna push the buttons.
No, I don't think you are.
Yeah, but I gonna do work.
Look, we're at Chambers Street now. And there goes the J train.
What's it? Why?
That was the train we were just on.
The cheat. What's it? That cheat.
That's the J train. Say goodbye to it.
That cheat.
Oh, this is Chambers Street. Chambers Street Station in Manhattan.
Why?
And we're going to transfer to the 4 train. Here it comes. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Say goodbye, Nathaniel.
Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say, we'll see you again.